Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to let you know the process for disputing a charge on BMO USA Credit Card. So the process for disputing the charge on BMO USA Credit Card involves, first of all, logging into your BMO USA account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. From the home page, you have to go and access your credit card details. After that, you need to select the transaction that you wish to dispute. So click on Dispute a Charge from the menu. Then you could go and follow the prompt in order to complete the dispute from the submit list. And now the dispute can only happen if the receiver has not actually received the amount, or that he or she has not confirmed it. In that case, if he or she has already confirmed it or received the payment, then what you can do is you can talk with the receiver and then you can dispute a charge. Otherwise, you have to contact the customer service team and let them know about it, and only then you should be able to dispute a charge on your BMO USA credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.